Microsoft project, you're my saving grace. With your timelines and gantt charts, you keep me in place. You help me plan, you help me see all the tasks ahead. You set me free, yeah. Don't let them say that you are out of date. Your features and functions, they are first rate. You keep me organized, you keep me on track. Oh, Microsoft project, don't you dare look back. Yeah, keep Microsoft project, don't you dare look back. Yeah, keep Microsoft project alive. Alive, Microsoft project alive. Keep Microsoft project, don't you dare look back. Yeah, keep Microsoft project alive. Alive, Microsoft project alive.